Of course, this is not my comfort zone, but I'll try my best. I was caught off guard, but I was able to stay on the side and compose something to say. Before that, happy, love, equals skies. I'm Sibus or Jojo. Most of our names are JC. So from Joseph Christopher, Josette Cheryl, Janice Charlotte, me Josephus Charles, Johanna, Claire, Joanna Marie Carlisle, Janine Elizabeth. And that's how my mom and dad are very creative in coming up with my name down to our line. Even my two kids, Jaheli and Juliana, I get the concept of having a name of JC. So for the friends, colleagues, Bayuters, Josa, I think you heard my name because I'm the Pasaway brother, the younger brother. So, of course, on behalf of the Guades family, our Botante family, I'm not supposed to cry, before I'm gonna say the response. Guys, 12:37 when she was declared dead, our
Group chat
was still on until Ate Jessa and Carly brought her to the mortuary. So by after mga 2 o'clock, I told them to I'll go ahead matulog sa ako because like that morning when she roll call all the siblings, from that morning until on that midnight, grabe kaya ang kanang emotions. So I think na overpowered na ako ang kakapoy. So I decided to send paway sa ako. So around 2:30, if around that time more or less, natulog ko. So I was so tired. Lamig akong tulog, bagsak diretso. And my wife, siya, kaya siya katulog, affected po siya. So ako, hinanok kay ko. And then, sa akong hinanok, I got a good dreams. Ako mo sa usahay ko diyang driver, ako ang pero may sugoon. So the setting of the dream, that time kay dito mig bukid, that was the time kasi nga, I'm so sorry if I speak Bisaya. I think it's more for me to express it when I'm in Bisaya or English. Tagalog is nahirapan talaga sa kalisod. But I'll try, subukan. So after that, my dream setting is like push diskarga ang mga plants and then i-arrange lang sa garden. Siyang garden dito sa ayang residence sa kampo. And then said, oh, no problem. Ako rin bahala na kay. So while I was unloading sa mga tanong niya, I was inside the garden. Suddenly she appeared next to me and she said, no drama. Because I am the dramaturga of the family. When my siblings said that the fights and this and that, ako pirmi ang involved sa fights. But she never takes sides. She's always the one that keeps the family on bridge. I married the same name, Janice. My wife also is Janice. And I almost lost her, and I almost lost my 2 kids. But siya na yun ang nakapag-keep sa akong family. 9 instances na, because I was the one sa akong siblings, sa'yo, maaga na I was the teenage marriage. When I was 19, I got married, and that's why my 2 kids are the older kids amongst the siblings, so my nephews and nieces. Siya good and like save sa ko ang married life, and my 2 kids, they really look up to her. The artistic, being artistic, where Juliana got sayahan at gikan. Si Jahel, the way that he take cares of the cousin, he has the thing that siya ang mag-lead. Like, tell them this is not to do, this is that, this is one. And then being generous and giving, sayahan na influence. Yeah. So, no drama, I don't know how to say no drama, but siguro, dili dyan na pumapungan. I can't hold it, but I'll try my best. So earlier, when Ate Jessa just came to me na, oy, you have to say something. So I can't say no. Yeah. So I did make a short tribute for you. And this is coming from my heart. And this may be, it would be better if I said it to you personally. But nonetheless, I'm gonna say it with all my heart. And now I'm lost. I don't know where my notes. I put it on my notes. So happy and love, guys. That is how we will remember you. Family, my sisters, my brother, colleagues, nieces and nephews, the Arbotanti family, Bubuy, Java and Jandara. Josa, I never met you individually, but Kais mentioned you, and probably kahit sa inyo din siya nagre-reklamo tungkol sa akin. Bayuters, I think, di kapoy naman sa mga reklamo ni Kais, siguro bahin ako. We are profoundly grateful for the outpouring love, support, and the presence you showed during the eulogy and the celebration of our dear sister Kais. Tanan ng mga adjectives and descriptions nasulti na ninyo. Your heartfelt words, shared memories, and comforting embrace have been a source of strength and solace for our family during the challenging times. Kais fought her battle with cancers with a remarkable courage and grace, embodying a true and resilient until the very end. Seeing her last moment from the morning all the way to 12:37 when she was declared dead, I'm still floating. I don't know how to react. I don't know what to say. Everybody was there. Some of them crying, some of them trying to, guys, paabot ako, guys, wait, guys, manuroy ta, guys, there's still a wedding, guys, you have this, because we are preparing a big thing for Japa's birthday. So we're like longing na makaabot me because that's the biggest preparation of that month or that event. But sadly, she decided that it's her battle has to end. But I think she's really at peace now. I know she's really brave, but I think it's for her that she should go to where she can see us the best. As a devoted mother to Java and Jandara, she poured boundless love and wisdom to the lives of her daughters, instilling in them the values of kindness, compassion, and fortitude. To her husband, Bubuy, I'm forever grateful. I have only one brother, my older brother. But when you came to Kai's life, I felt that I have another brother. When you sit next beside her, I know and I feel how pain it is. But naano you comfort me and you showed strength. And for that, salamat kay Stanak. She was not only a loving partner but also a beacon of unwavering support and strength as we go on, boy, with our life. We're always here for you, for Japa and Jandara. In her professional life, Kai's warmth, generosity, and optimism touched the lives of all who had the privilege of knowing her. She was not just a colleague, but a mentor and a friend whose spirit of joy and enthusiasm brightened even of the darkest days. Kai's love for life was infectious, and her laughter brought light to our lives. Every time na makita me, she works away from the family. And me too, I work very much away from the family. When I work abroad and I left these two kids behind, siya aking mama and papa. And when she get married, silang duha ni Buboy yun ang ni-take care aning duha. They support, and then even mag-joke siya na, "Boss, akuha na lang na si Sander, akuha na lang na si Yana, pantrabaho na lang dito, total